Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Don't say you're ever going to draw that, but it's a pretty cool effect and pretty easy to draw. If you will take a screenshot of that right there, that's what you need. And to make it perfect, because this thing has to be 60-degree rotation, I'm going to hold down the control button. I want to make a perfect six-sided polygon. I'm going to take the plus key and I'm going to move with my 4-point cross. I'm going to go right there. Now I just need some 2-point lines. I'm going to go from there to there, and then from there to there. And that's what's going to get us the perfect angle for rotation. Now here I'm going to go across the middle, but then I'm going to take that line and select it, turn it into a curve, and I'm actually going to double click on it, and make a node and just kind of maybe give it a little bit of a curve to it. Doesn't really matter, it's yours. And then just what I would strongly suggest is Control G to group that together. Get your interactive field or get your smart field tool. I'm going to set it on red, and I'm going to fill all these in with red, those 4 places. Now this is why I lock this or group this together. I can get this out of the way. So now I can take this one, and then you can use your imagination which way you want to do it. I'm going to do it a little bit different this time. I'm going to put yellow like right there, and then do this side and put yellow. Try to make them kind of even a little bit. Now this side, I'm going to go the opposite. I'm going to put yellow on the outside. Maybe bring that in, put a little bit more yellow. Go here and put a little bit more yellow. So the other one, I did it vertically. We want a little bit more yellow. Maybe put that in a little bit more like that. Whoop. That's pretty cool. Group it together, Control G, Control D. And whenever you have this much going on, you could duplicate it by 60 degrees, but sometimes it'll go off the chart because it's so much going on. So the best way to do it is take this and go ahead and double click on the rotation and get your rotation circle, put on that node, and then go up to Windows, Dockers, Transform. Yours might say Transformation. 60 degrees 5 times. We need 6, but we've already got 1, and there you go. I like my first one better because I can't see the twist. So let's change that. Let's go ahead and go to Object, Group, and Ungroup, and get let's go vertically on this, so we'll be able to see the twist. That way we'll be able to see the twist. Control G to group it. Click on the rotation. So it's that easy, and you're done it again. That's pretty cool. So take a screenshot of that, and that's all you need. If you don't do this, there's other ways around it, but I found the best way. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.